Be honest, when was the last time you saw your dentist? If you're thinking last year maybe, or I go only once when it hurts, you're not alone. Most people believe brushing twice a day is enough, but skipping dental checkup for a year can quietly cause problems. You won't even notice until it's too late. I am Dr. Mrinali, and today I'll explain exactly what happens inside your mouth when you don't visit a dentist for a year and how you can prevent it. Even with regular brushing, plaque starts forming within 24 hours of eating. Plaque is a sticky layer of bacteria that hardens into tartar in just few days. And once it hardens, no toothbrush can remove it. By the end of few months, tartar builds up nearly the gums, causing irritation and bleeding. That's the start of gingivitis or early gum disease. According to ADA study, showed that 80% of adults have some form of gum inflammation, and most of them didn't know it because it's painless at first. So while you feel fine, small bacteria colonies are already started working between your teeth, under your gums, or even below your old fillings. By month 6, plaque hardens into calculus and the bacteria begins attacking your gums and bone support. You might notice bleeding while brushing, bad breath that doesn't go away, or sensitivity to cold and sweets. The Oral Health Review found that skipping routine cleanings for even 6 months increases the risk of gum pockets by 35%, and a bone loss can start as early as 8 to 9 months in high-risk patients. By the 1-year mark, a lot has changed even if your smile looks the same. Here's what could be happening. First, hidden cavities may have reached deeper layers of the tooth. Second, gum may start pulling back, causing recession, exposing sensitive roots. Third, stains and tatters make your smile look dull. Fourth, in some cases, early bone loss begins, which is irreversible. I once had a patient who came in after skipping for 2 years. No pain, just a little bleeding, but his X-ray showed bone loss that had already started. A simple cleaning every 6 months could have prevented it. The reason most people delay their visits is it's not hurting, it must be fine. But dental issues are silent. Cavities, gum infections, and bone loss develop quietly, and by the time pain appears, the treatment gets longer, more expensive, and more invasive. The Journal of Periodontology reported that untreated gum disease is linked to higher risk of heart issues, diabetes, and even pregnancy complications due to chronic inflammation. So skipping the dentist doesn't just affect your teeth, it affects your overall health. If it's been more than a year since your last visit, don't feel guilty. You're not alone, and it's never too late to start. Here's what you can do today. Schedule a professional cleaning and checkup. Ask for a guided biofilm therapy session, is gentle, advanced, and removes tartar painlessly. Get a personalized dental health plan every 6 months. A Harvard Health Review noted that people who get regular checkups saves up to 50% on future dental costs because they can catch issues early. Your mouth doesn't stop working when you stop visiting your dentist. It just works harder to fight what you can't see. So take this gentle reminder, preventive care is always easier than corrective treatment. One visit every 6 months can save your smile, your confidence, and even your health. I am Dr. Mrinali, and if this video helped you, share with someone who has been waiting till it hurts. And don't forget to subscribe for more real science-based dental guidance, because your best smile deserves consistent care.